Hello, and welcome to Japanese Craft Beer Reviews. How are you? Today is June 9th, and we are getting to the beginning of summer. Typically, June is what we call the rainy season in Japan, the tsuyu. And so generally we get like 2 to 4 weeks of rain. And I'm not sure if it's actually started or not, but it is raining today. We never quite know. When does the tsuyu start? When does the rainy season begin? And when does it end? So weather announcers announce it based on the line, of rain, daily line of rain, but in the atmosphere. But really don't quite know. Any case, enough about that. It is a lightly rainy day today, and today I have a beer from a brewery that I haven't had for quite a while. They're located in Hyogo Prefecture, and it's called Rokko Beer, Rokko Craft Brewery. And the beer in question is this one. It is called Rokko Beer Kölsch. But first, a little bit about Rokko Beer. They started in 1997 near one of the more famous hot springs called Arima Onsen in Hyogo Prefecture, in the mountains above Kobe City. And they built a second factory in 2018, and so they really have expanded quite a bit. They use water from Mount Rokko, and apparently it is very high quality water as well. There's a pub called Starboard in Kobe where you can, it's probably the best place to sample the full variety of Rokko beers. They generally have several of them on tap. Okay. Rokko beer, and this Kölsch should be called a Kölsch style. Certainly in Germany, breweries are prohibited from using the term Kölsch unless they are in that Kölsch area. It is an appellation, much like champagne, and so a protected appellation, and so it should be called Kölsch style, really. And this should be a subtly lightly malty beer, and should be very clear and crisp as well. And so let's give this one a go, shall we? It is 5% alcohol by volume, and it has imported malt from Germany, and hops, and an additional bit of honey as well. This cost 437 yen at the place where I bought it. And one more thing, it was awarded the World Beer Awards Silver Medal in the Pale Beer Group and Kölsch category. So it won a silver medal. This is not the World Beer Cup, the largest international beer competition, but basically a British-based one called the World Beer Awards, and long been a favorite of many Japanese breweries to enter the World Beer Awards, especially back in the day when there weren't so many entries, and a lot of Japanese breweries could come away with a medal. So anyway, they should have put that. Usually they tend to put these things on their labels when they are awarded. But, okay, let's see what we got here. So some honey in this. Interesting. Okay, well, first off, Kölsch should not have this appearance. Kölsch should be a really brilliantly clear beer, and this is not. This is hazy. Let's try. You cannot see through it, and it is quite hazy with a thin, frothy, filmy sort of head. Aroma. If I knew what hops they put into this, this does not smell like a Kölsch at all. Kölsch might have something, the closest beer might be something like a Pilsner, a very subtle Pilsner, but this is not. This has a kind of light, fruity, maybe even small tropical kind of note. Well, It has the light maltiness. Gets a little, intensifies a little bit in mid palate, which I don't think it should really so much. Thin all around. Kölsch's are not going to hit you in the face with flavor, but this one perhaps has a little bit too much of the wrong kind. It's got mild fruitiness, goes a little bit rotten in mid palate, and finishes with a thin stream of bitterness, and that is it. And it doesn't seem very much to style at all. Well, in any case, my cat wants in. I better let the cat in. Once again, this is called Rokko Beer Kölsch, and it is 5% alcohol. I do not recommend this beer. You see it somewhere, you may want to try it out, but I don't think it will be. The drink by date is October of this year. We are in June, so it shouldn't be in bad. It was in a good condition place in the store. So I mean, it wasn't warm or anything like that. So I don't know what has happened to this beer or how it is, why it is this way. But Rokko Beer Kölsch, give it a go if you want. I don't recommend it, but try it if you want. And I do have a playlist of Rokko beers, so you can go check them out and see what I think of some of their other beers. That is it for today. Please stay healthy, drink better beer.